sweet.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's a marketing expo. The cool thing is that, you know, I'm just showing up with my mouth shut and my ears open. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, 70%. Which is good.
So yeah, I've been walking around here at the marketing conference. I stopped at a few booths and talked to a few people regarding what exactly they have going on. Do you work with marketing agencies primarily, or you work with just any company that would need marketing consultation?
Brands. So generally, our clientele are Fortune 1000, Fortune 5000 companies in tech, financial services, insurance.
Okay. Oh, so the full gambit, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you local, or where are you guys
We're
based?
actually headquartered in DC. I
In
work
DC?
out of Atlanta.
Okay.
Mhm.
You work out of Atlanta?
Yep.
Okay. And you came to Phoenix for this one?
Came here for this event. We haven't been to this event before, so but it's been good.
And they're using a term called marketing or content syndication, but all it really means is that they're just helping customers get leads using form fills and using funnels. The same thing that Go High Level is producing and using in an all-in-one platform.
I used to work at IBM, so I've sold a lot of.
Used to work at IBM?
Yeah, so I've sold a lot of.
Surprised you never heard of Go High Level, man.
No, I ran the security SaaS business worldwide at IBM for about 2.5 years, and then
I'm talking strictly marketing agencies.
Oh, okay.
Marketing
then I
agency
was selling
software.
So I'd imagine. So now that you explain it, it's not a client direct. It is a self. I'm trying to understand the business model, but it sounds as if you say it's an agency software, then the agency would use it as their back end to then sell subscription to their clients as a marketer.
Exactly. What's your name?
Shep.
Who?
Shep.
Shep. Okay, Shep. I'm
nice to
David,
meet you.
man, from Rogers Media.
Nice to meet you.
Shep, who do you represent Activate?
Yes, I do. I'm the CRO.
CRO at Activate?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Are you guys local or what?
So we're all over. We're incorporated. Our LLC is incorporated in San Francisco. We've got people named all over the U.S.
Okay. Activate. I need to look you up, man. It's been interesting to see the marketing, lead gen, B to lead business and how big it is. I'm in a bubble in the marketing agency, Go High Level, affiliate marketing, and what I offer to business owners. I'm in sort of a bubble, but this particular conference brought me outside of that bubble because I'm able to see and talk to people who sell leads to big Fortune 500 companies and different types of businesses, not just service-based businesses. It's interesting to talk to lead generation organizations that deal with businesses outside of the service-based business model. So it's very interesting. I'm gonna get something to eat. They got all kind of drinks and stuff over there. So let's see what happens. Let's see if I can get drunk for free. If I can, I'll call an Uber and leave my car downstairs. Peace.